Hello, welcome to the TCC City of Virginia Beach Joint Use Library. We are here for you to help you meet your technology needs and to use the technology that's available through our building. We are a partnership with the City of Virginia Beach, so not only are we your scholarly academic research library, we're also a public library, and you as TCC students have access to everything that both libraries offer. So here on the second floor at the Joint Use Library, we have a Spacious Computer Lab. Over here, it's first come, first serve. Students have unlimited time in the labs. They have the standard Microsoft Office suite. We have a set of computers towards the rear that are specifically for ITD and ITN classes with specialized software to help with that. We also have study rooms. If you'd like to follow me, we'll go to one of our study rooms where you can reserve a room for up to 4 hours. If you're with a group, each member of the group can reserve the room for a full set of 4 hours. And several of the rooms upstairs have webcams. We also have 2 webcams at the reference desk that can be used in the building if you're Zooming with the class or doing an interview or anything like that. We also have earbuds that you can ask for at the reference desk to manage your volume needs. So here's an example of a study room. We have rooms that seat between 4 and 8. They all have a very large monitor on the screen, which is great for viewing lectures or videos. Full computer, save your materials to your flash drive or send them to your email. That's our advice for the computer labs too, because they do not retain any saved files. Computer labs, we also have printing and scanning available. Scanning is free, and if you save the files to your flash drive or to your email, the whole process is free. Printing is 5 cents a page. TCC affords students 100 free prints for the semester. So bring your student picture ID with you to the library to access those 100 free prints, or to add money using the StormPort machine that we have on each floor to add money to your account to pay for more prints. We have an ADA compliant station here with a movable desk.
You're doing fine.
With an adjustable desk for fitting numerous space needs. The computer also has the JAWS program that enlarges text and any other graphics on the computer screen, and there's a read-write text program as well. If you need assistance using those programs, you can see the Office of Educational Accessibility, but we do offer the programs here on this ADA compliant station. The TCC libraries offer a variety of formats of information resources to help you with your research needs. We of course have print books and DVDs in our physical collections, but the bulk of our collection is electronic. And you can access these from the TCC library homepage. Searching our quick search box gives you full text access to a large number of journals, magazines, newspapers, ebooks, streaming videos. And we have a 24/7 chat service called Ask a Librarian that you are welcome to use whenever you need help, whether you're working from home in the middle of the night or you're somewhere else on campus and just need a quick question answered about library services. We're here for you. We also have a photocopier that can be used as a scanner. Photocopies to print are 10 cents a page, and you have to bring in cash or coins to operate that machine. It does not run on the Storm card. And here we are in the library's digital media lab. We have Macs here for your use for design. Another 3D printer that can be used. This is one that's used for the lessons that you take in order to reserve the printer that is out on the floor. We also have this green screen with capabilities to film some interesting things. You do have to reserve the digital media lab through the City of Virginia Beach at the welcome desk, or you can call us 757-822-7800 to reserve the room. So when you come into our beautiful building, and if you need a study room, you can also reserve rooms up to 7 days in advance. But here we have a station specifically for making study room reservations if you come in and want to see what's available here. We're at the welcome desk where you can check on your account questions or any other questions about the library. You have, as TCC students and part of the partnership we have with the City of Virginia Beach Public Library, access to VBPL's take-home tech, which is really cool. You can check out more information on their website, but they have coding toys and games for learning how to code. These are geared more towards children, but we also have hotspots that can be checked out, And there's a telescope. It does have a long waiting list to have access to the telescope, but certainly come in and talk to us about getting your name added to the list if you're interested in that. This is our first floor computer lab, which is open to the public and to students, where you can print, you can scan your materials, add money to your storm card. We also, through our partnership with the City of Virginia Beach, have a 3D printer. You do have to sign up for a lesson on using it, but then once you've gone through the educational process, you can reserve it. You can, we've got programs on the computers that you can create your designs and then actually print them out. And that process is free at this time. The Joint Use Library, you have access to interesting programming opportunities through the City of Virginia Beach Public Library System. In addition to children's story times and the typical fare, we also have tech help sessions. You can reserve time individually with a TCC staff member to help with your own tech needs. And then they also have classes like Intro to Excel, Intro to Word, just a variety of things that you can find on the City of Virginia Beach Public Library website.
So this is our digital media lab, and in here, 4 computers that students can access. If they need to come in and use lockdown browser, they can use these. We have cameras that they can check out. We also have 3 Apple computers that have the Adobe programs on them, InDesign, Adobe Acrobat, that they can use to create designs. We also have 2 TV screens that have DVD and VHS tape recorders on them. So students can just come into the reference desk and check in, and we can get them set up in here. So we have 96 computers here in the library that students can come in and use. All you need is your student ID and your login information. You get 4 hours when you get on the computer. If you need additional time, we can extend your time. One thing that we do like to remind people is that you want to pay attention to the notifications that come up on your screen when your time is about to wind down, because they will shut off on you. So just make sure before your time's up that you ask if we can extend your time. You can come in here and print out your materials for your classes. You get 100 pages for free for the semester. After that, you do have to pay, and it's 5 cents a page for printing. So over in this area, we have our copy machine and scanner. You can come in and make photocopies of your materials. It is 10 cents a page to print any copies, and the machine does only take coins and bills. You cannot use a credit or debit card. We also have a book scanner where you can come in and scan items from books or whatever materials you have. In here, you can scan them to a flash drive or you can email them. And then we have a storm card machine where you can add funds to your storm card.